Click Menu and then click Items. Click New Item button. Choose your item image by clicking on the cloud icon. Adjust your image. You also can zoom in and zoom out your image. And then click Crop button. Select item type. Fill in name. Fill in price. Select any category you like. Enter your item description. You can leave it empty because it is optional. Tick Show this item to public. Tick Available. Click Save button. Your item has been added. Now go to Item page. As you can see here, item has been added.